I am Charles Poots from Venena Ventures in Brazil.
I'm Kurt Keilhacker. I'm a venture capitalist in Silicon Valley. I'm a managing partner of Elementum Ventures.
My name is Dr. Chengdu. I'm the chairman of NACO Avians from Nigeria. I'm in the cohort of 2024.
The Global Executive Program.
With SEM, the School of Economics and Management of Tsinghua University. We're focused on the future. And of course, China is a very important part of that future. And Tsinghua is a wonderful educational institution with a wonderful reputation. And I wanted to upgrade my knowledge of what was happening in the Chinese market. And that's why I chose to do this program.
The program I'm attending now is playing an incredible role to help me better understand China. If I just came here as a tourist, or if I just came here for one business meeting and a quick contact, it definitely would not be the same.
For me, even with what we have learned in the classes, the AI and the G5, and them doing business in China, knowing more about the laws guiding it, and then the other relationship with the Chinese people, has helped me a lot.
Well, first of all, scale. There's a tremendous size that's here. Number two is you can tell in terms of that the advancements of the construction and how you've been able to add some incredible facilities. The public infrastructure is incredibly world-class. There is a tremendous investment in the infrastructure here in the educational system. And of course, that's going to have a long-term application.
Being physically present in the place. It's different from reading about it or talking to people from far away through video or something like that. I haven't been here long enough, but this has been enough time to get a feeling of how people here are happy, of how people here welcome us.
It's amazing because the stereotype or the impression I had about China is different from what I've seen. I've always heard about China being closed up, not ready to accept visitors or businessmen. But with what I've seen now, it's changed my mindset about China, and I'm ready to collaborate with Chinese people.
Currently, Brazil and China do a lot of business together. China is the most important trading partner for Brazil. And I believe that understanding well your partner is key to do better business. It's a way of doing win-win business where both can create value and win. Well, I understand that Chengdu has lots of strengths in many different areas. And in many aspects, Brazil and Chengdu can complement each other. For instance, in power, in energy.
I think in terms of certainly areas of technology, when we think about battery technologies, what's happening here in the EV, it's really smart that actually you're going to see the highest penetration of EV cars is going to be in China versus anywhere else in the world. I think a second area that is important for all of us is in terms of in the biotech sector. I would hope that Chengdu is investing a lot in biotech because that also is a very important part of the future.
Yeah, I've seen that in Chinese, whatever they do, they have no limitation. They never accept no for an answer. They make sure that they get it through, no matter how difficult it is. And that's a very fantastic thing to do.